Who knew that nail stamps can save so much time? Today's video is a beginner friendly guide to how to do nails. One thing that I wish I knew earlier is that you needed to have a base coat and a top coat whenever you paint nails. A base coat is essential so that your nails doesn't get damaged. And second of all, the pigment that you put on is going to last way longer. Through experimenting with different types of nail polish over the years, I've also realized that the quality of the nail polish matters a lot. The one that I'm wearing now is China Glaze, and there's a lot of good brands out there for you to try. But for mine, I've had these for like 5 days now, and there's very little damage to them. They look almost as good as new. Having a one solid color already looks pretty sleek, but for me, I wanted to do something a little bit more complicated, but with very minimal effort, because your girl ain't got that much time. So here I am trying out this palette called Enchanted, and I'll show you how to get a really nice design in the matter of seconds. This comes with its own nail stamper, so that's what we're going to be using to transfer the nail polish onto our nails from basically stencils. The nail stamper you can see here creates a visual effect. So it actually is a convex lens. It magnifies everything that you shine underneath it, and that's how you can get all the details right. This pack came with a lot of different designs, and the one that I really wanted to try out is on the bottom right corner. So you want to apply a thin layer of nail polish on it first, scrape off any excess nail polish with the scraper, and then you can pick up the paint using your nail stamper. You can see here that when you lift up your stamper, the design is on the other side. So all you have to do is press that design onto the desired nail. If you get a little bit messy with your nail polish, as I did here, you can just wipe it off with some tissue paper. I'm just doing the same on my other nail, and bam, you have two designs ready to go. Another great way to add a little bit of a design for your nails that's super simple is using nail stencils. What you have to do is just tape them to where you want to be on your nail. After the first base is already dried, apply the second layer, let it dry a little bit, and when it's ready, simply peel it off. When I do my nails, it's really relaxing because this is the time that I'm giving back to myself. To be honest, I started painting my nails all the way back in high school because I had a habit of chewing my nails. So to get rid of that, I started to paint it, and that really helped. I feel like I stopped biting my nails not because that the layer of paint was physically preventing me from doing it, but more so that I didn't want to ruin something that I spent time creating. And I didn't want to ruin something that was beautiful. So basically, every time I look down on my hands and I see that my nails are nice and pristine, it gives me a little boost of confidence that, you know what, I got ready for myself for a reason. And yeah, it just makes my day a little bit better. I feel like a lot of people probably think that people do nails for other people's sake, but I don't think that's true at all. At least for myself, and hopefully for you too, that you do it because you enjoy it, not because of some societal expectations or some standards of beauty. If you want to paint your nails, paint your nails. If you want to keep it short and simple and not painted, like do that. Do whatever makes you happy. And if you haven't done something for yourself yet today, I hope that this video will be like a reminder that you should practice some self care, like do something for yourself. That's it. Like enjoy your own body, enjoy your own being, be present with yourself. If you're planning to do something like that, drop it in the comments and share with me and share with everybody else that's in this community. I would love to hear all about it. And while you're doing that, might as well hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I make videos with the purpose of helping you de-stress from your busy day. So if you like fun content on art, travel, and food, you definitely don't want to miss out. Going back to the video, now I'm applying a generous amount of top coat. A top coat is very important because, first of all, it creates a shine. Who doesn't like their nails to be super glossy? But more importantly, it protects your nails as well. So if you don't want your paint to be damaged and you want it to stay longer, well, then you should get yourself some top coat because that is quality stuff. Oh, you thought we're done? We're not. I'm going to add in an extra tip for you. Pun intended, because this is a fine tipped brush for nail polish. It is perfect when you want to draw on additional designs yourself. But here's the problem. You probably have a dominant hand. For me, I'm right handed, so drawing with my left hand is always a challenge. Here is how I overcome it. Instead of relying my left hand to move my brush, I actually move my fingers on my right hand. Did you catch that? I'm gonna play it for you one more time. So my finger moves instead of my brush, and that's what gives me that consistency. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something from this. Hopefully you get to try some of it out yourself. If you do, don't forget to comment. And don't forget to do something for yourself. Make it a self-care day. If you enjoyed today's video, then you might also like other things from me. On the left is what I would recommend, and on the right is what the YouTube algorithm thinks that you would enjoy. Thanks so much for being here. I really appreciate you. I hope that your day is going good, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!